but actually you can start mining without installing any software. See, recently I was searching website for work from home jobs. I found this site. Okay, that is miner.eo.finance. Okay, see, so while using the browser, I noticed that my PC is running very high. So I checked the task manager. This is what I found. So I checked my task manager. So the CPU percentage use is 94 percentage, and when I pause this, it goes to 7 percentage. That means it is running a mining software while using the browser. So then I check what coin they are mining. They are mining XMR. So XMR means it's Monero. It's a cryptocurrency, that is Monero.